It's a concealer, it's a foundation, and it's also skin care. Makeup meets skin care. It actually calms redness. So if you've got sunburn, which you shouldn't, then if you applied this over the top, or if you have rosacea or acne or anything that's angry and sore, this will calm your redness and improve it. Wipe it away and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So not only does it provide a beautiful skin-like coverage that's versatile from day to night, but it also soothes skin redness. It will not age the look of the skin. Any age can use this. I'm in my mid-40s. I have pores, I have dark circles, I have lines, fine lines, and this does not accentuate any of those areas. Now, I've already pushed and grabbed a little bit of the minerals out. You can see there, not very much at all. I'm just going to push down on the corner and then I'm going to swirl my brush around. So no mess, no fuss, just picking up those minerals and swirling it around so it's nice and even on the brush. Your loose mineral foundation can be applied in a few different ways for a few different looks. Now, it all comes down to how you use your brush. If you're using the Kabuki, you're going to get a heavier coverage than if you used one of our other brushes like our complexion brush. So again, if you're wanting a versatile coverage, the Kabuki brush is the best for that. If you use a pressing motion, what I would call a roll press or a stippling motion, you're going to get heavier coverage. If you use a buffing motion, you're going to get a lighter coverage or you're going to blend the product more. So you can use one or the other or a combination of both of those application methods. Now, let me show you the amazing difference from this side to this side when I apply the minerals. You are going to see my dark circles disappear. You're going to see the redness, which is already gone. You're going to see it minimize and, if anything, hide that pigment that I've got up here. And of course, it's going to make my skin look dewy, healthy, and of course, it's going to be protected by the SPF 20+. So let's go. Now, if you want a little bit more coverage than that, just use your finger. And look at that. Why wouldn't you use ADORN? So healthy, so natural, you can sleep in it without any guilt that this is going to do any harm to your skin. Pure minerals that are there to help protect and soothe the skin while making you feel more confident that your skin looks its absolute best. No more tired eyes, no more redness, no more little pimples here and there, and absolutely covered that pigmentation. So why wouldn't you use this on your neck, your décolletage, backs of your hands? Even you can apply it to your legs for sun protection down the shin bones. Use it as a body makeup. Anything you want to do with this particular product, you can achieve. Let's get started on the other side of my face.